95s,
Yeah, I
evens,
think we'll come up and get him.
906. I hope so.
Oh,
All
you're
right.
going to front run that. All right. Let's see. Advancers to decliners are still negative, still, so we might see a little bit of chop
Okay.
for a bit. We don't have any big news tomorrow, but we do have OPEX, and so I'm wondering if that's going to matter today. I
Wow.
know it's going to matter tomorrow, right? Reversal challenge is going to be insane.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh,
Yeah,
boy.
Yo.
insane.
Quad witching tomorrow, I believe.
Yes, it is. It is.
Triple witching now.
Triple, yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
They threw the weekly guys out and said, "You guys don't count."
Back later. Right. 68% long in the ES right now.
Okay. Let's get that to
500.
75%. Let's get a little tilty here. Get some
It
tilt.
is. Working offers again, Dolby 85, 90.
Yeah, so it's 2 MNQ, 5 points apart, starting at 85, going up to 906. So just trying to get a little stop run. We've had lower lows, lower highs on this 15-minute kind of range. So let's see if we can get back down to 800s. Let's get filled up here and go run some 800s. It is higher range.
Starting to creep up higher here. Last trade NASDAQ, 19,873. We'll go get the 879s offered 500 times. Now 875s trade. See if offer does get filled. It got filled.
I'm thinking, yeah.
All right, no, hold on, they get pulled. No, it got filled. There you go, filled.
All right. And is that your first entry, Dolby?
We're not in yet. 85s is the first, 906 is the last.
Okay.
Hey, man, well, yes, it did, Jay. Did you take it? All right, here we go. 71% long ES now. See if those offers are still in there. Upside.
Let's get tilty.
I tell you, it makes me nervous to go short here. It really does.
But yeah, me too.
Yeah, I think because of what happened this morning, it really did. I was talking to one of the traders earlier today, and sometimes you can really see the market, and then all of a sudden you go, oh, well, I didn't expect that. And so when you get to the point where you go, I didn't expect that, then your brain starts going, uh-oh. What's wrong in there?
Upside. That was not upside NASDAQ.
Oh, again.
890s. 890s.
Look at that. Okay, if they get smashed, that's gonna run.
Let's trade 19,872. 875s.
Haven't done that.
Yeah, we're changing it on the 30th of March. So let's see. So 1:30 p.m. Central is when typically I know that ES likes to turn around, and it's a time of day when I start looking for reversals. And if I can find a level there, that would be the trade that I take. Now on Top Step, I am focusing more on the precious metals and energies markets. So natural gas, gasoline futures, copper, platinum, gold sometimes, but we have a bit of a love-hate relationship at the moment. Copper has been my baby recently, and RBOB as well. But yeah, if I'm going to do anything in equities, it'll be around about this time of day. So yeah, this is my time for equities, surprisingly.
Very cool. I remember the 2:30 reversal Eastern time, of course. I remember focusing on that all the time, and then
short one, or two.
Oh,
it's a known play, like in prop. In the prop world, it's nothing unusual. I think the retail don't really know about it, but for anyone who's worked in prop, everyone is like, wait until a certain time, and then usually there's like a fade into the end of day, effectively, and that kind of happens across the board as well. It's not just equities, it's not just crude oil, it's not just gold. It's a very, very common play.
All right,
short six.
Okay. Average price
890s.
890. Okay, that 1,000 lot did get pulled.
Where's that
Okay.
stop of yours?
It looks like
Dolby?
it's back up there.
928.
Yeah,
Unless
910s.
Yeah,
Nine.
they're playing
Yeah,
games.
yeah.
And it's not worrying you the Globex VWAP is just above there?
where's it at?
Yeah.
It's
930 or something.
19925. Yeah, something like
Yeah.
that. Yeah, so between 25 and 30. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that would be a better place for shorts
Between
for
25
me.
and 30? Oh, I see.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the Globex VWAP. It's not the session.
Okay. I might just get
It's
flat.
the whole day. Hey, don't
Let's
go
trade.
flat on my account. If you're, if you've got a setup
I'm
there,
flat.
just trade that,
Out.
Nope.
But I'm
I'm
just
out.
a bit,
I'm
you
out.
know.
Well, we got 75% long in the ES right now. Last trade 57.19. What are you doing over there? And look at the ladder. Not a whole lot
Pushing.
jumping off right now in the ES.
Hey, I had an idea too of just going long off 800s a long time ago. So
Tens.
this
Yeah,
might
that
end
was
up
really pretty.
rallying. This might end up rallying pretty strong back to the upside if that's kind of like
Let's trade 19,000.
900s.
Yeah.
This has rejected a couple times.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it has. Oh, should we do above below, Dolby?
Oh, hell yeah. Yes,
Anne Marie.
absolutely.
Ooh.
Above below in the NASDAQ at 3 p.m. Central. What will the price be? Get that pull up.
19,950.
19,950. Okay. Above below 19,950. Thank you, Anne Marie.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, John Diamond.
What?
Brutal. Just chat is so unforgiving.
Oh, I know.
It's
Man,
so
oh,
funny.
man. Be nice.
Let's see.
There it is. It's up there. All good. Let's get back to the trade. Here we go. It's not showing right now. It's a little bit of selling here. 19,868. Yes, selling off a little bit. 57.14.
What's our average? About 890s was our average. So it would have
Yeah.
been like a decent little one. We'll see how it plays out.
75% long in the ES and saw some selling. About 7 points. Some more room to the downside. Might have it.
Yeah, see if we get back down. I think longs off
We
800s are
could-
actually pretty interesting.
Yeah, I've put one in there at
Yeah.
818.
Yeah.
I'll add to it if it triggers and then moves to the north. It's hopefully we hold the zone.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. What do we got for here we go. They're saying above. 57% above. Yes.
950s? 950s?
Really interesting.
Wow, chat is
hard point.
bullish.
I like 100 points to go to the upside. If we get that, Tilt did level off 59% long now in the ES. Did see 75% and saw sell off about 8 points. More room.
Nice one, Hogue. Yeah, God, if we get back down to 800s, maybe 760s would be interesting as well. That would kind of line up with the higher lows that we've had off like the 1 hour
Yeah,
chart.
773 is one of Hope's numbers.
Yeah.
730. All right. Let's a cool picture from MP. Maybe we can show that.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit. Lower right hand corner. Got the countdown clock. 32 minutes remaining here on Power Hour. 22 minutes till MOC. What does it have in store? Who knows? Buckle up. We're selling coming in here. 18,843 in the ES. 5708. About 11 points. Since that 75% long tilt. Very much so. And I absolutely love what we do here. And it's an absolute blast that they pay us to do this, Anne Marie. It's amazing.
Pretty fun.
I'm obsessed with the markets to a fault.
Yeah, I know that. I do know that feeling. I love it. Even if it beats me up in the face. Knocks all my
Stockholm
teeth
syndrome.
out.
Yep,
That's what
like
we
we
live
talked
for.
Yeah,
about.
that's right. That's right.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
Yeah.
What we live for.
19,008 4-1. Yeah, can we show that picture? Show the people hanging out with one of our athletes. That's all hint I'm going to give you there. Selling off of the Dow now. Selling off in
40s, okay.
Andre
Yep,
has
not
more
done yet.
energy than a nuclear power plant.
That's a lot of energy.
That's a lot of energy.
Yes, it is.
That's why Dre has so many clones, because he's radioactive.
They keep picking on me, Anne Marie. They pick on me around here, Anne Marie. Gosh.
Well, I'm not going to come to your defense because then I'll be flirting with you.
Oh, that whole thing.
That's
I
just
know.
not going to happen.
Gosh, that was. You had to do it. You had to say it.
I'm still sitting on that screenshot.
Amazing.
There you go.
All right, we're selling off here.
Please no.
Stop flirting. Yes, we're selling off here. 19,830. I heard order filled. Who was that?
That was me.
Okay.
Nice. Short or long?
Long.
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 Nice.
What price did you get? 19,000.
831 and a quarter.
831.
I'm looking for 818
5.
for the second one. And then I'll
818,
add
nice.
if it starts, yeah. I'll add if it starts running to the upside.
No worries of like a stop run underneath 800. Was your stop wide enough?
Pop there.
My stop is at 19,768.
Okay.
All right.
My target would be that 950.
Wow. Look at this.
I think it's getting.
Yep.
pretty
That's
big
trade
here.
19,850. Anne Marie.